There are a few things you should check when you notice your Philodendron Birkin leaves are curling. Check if it's not placed in a drafty area. It is important to avoid placing your plant in locations where it is exposed to drafts or in direct paths of heating or cooling vents. This is because fluctuations in temperature and air movement can significantly affect the health of the plant, particularly its foliage. Plants have a specific temperature and humidity needs for healthy growth. Cold drafts can lower the surrounding temperature, stressing the plant and potentially causing its leaves to curl. This cold stress disrupts the plant's normal functions and can damage its cells. Constant exposure to dry air from vents can lead to low humidity around the plant. This causes the plant to lose water faster than it can absorb it from the soil, resulting in curled leaves as a protective response to reduce water loss. And try to maintain humidity because philodendrons are tropical. If there is low humidity, your Philodendron Birkin leaves can curl as a response to the dry conditions. Philodendrons, like many tropical plants, prefer environments with higher humidity levels. Philodendrons have evolved to thrive in moist environments, which helps them regulate water loss and maintain leaf health. Higher humidity supports better absorption of water and nutrients through their roots. Misting the leaves occasionally with water helps raise humidity levels around the plant. Placing a tray nearby filled with water and pebbles creates a humid environment as the water evaporates. Or using a humidifier nearby ensures consistent humidity levels, especially beneficial in drier indoor conditions. Curling leaves can also be a sign of overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Ensure your plant has drainage holes and allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. And if the soil of your philodendron dries out completely by mistake, you might notice its leaves becoming limp, drooping, and potentially starting to brown and curl. If you're facing this issue, you should go for bottom watering to deal with this. Take an empty pot bigger than your plant's pot and fill it with water. If you don't have the pot, you can do this process in your sink too. Fill the half of the empty pot with normal temperature water and place your plant pot into it. Leave it in there for at least 25 to 30 minutes. Let your plant absorb water through the drainage holes at the bottom of the pot. After soaking, check the top 2 to 3 inches of soil. Has it become moist? If some areas are still dry, lightly water the top of the soil to help it saturate more quickly. If some leaves have already browned or curled significantly, gently prune them off with clean, sharp scissors. This helps redirect the plant's energy towards new growth and healthier leaves. Philodendron Birkins prefer bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch their leaves, causing them to curl or develop brown spot. Move your plant to a spot with filtered or indirect sunlight. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.